Welcome to our tutorial on setting up your Mi Smart Speaker for the first time. Unbox your Mi Smart Speaker and locate the power adapter included in the box. Connect the power adapter to your Mi Smart Speaker and plug it into an electrical outlet. You'll see the LED lights on the top of the speaker light up, indicating it's powered on. Download and install the Google Home app on your smartphone, available on both the Google Play Store and Apple App Store. Open the Google Home app and sign into your account. If you don't have an account, you'll need to create one. Then you need to create a home by entering your address. Go to the Devices section and tap the plus icon to add a new device. Choose the Mi Smart Speaker L09G from the list of devices. Ensure your smartphone is connected to the Wi-Fi network you want your speaker to connect to. The app will automatically detect the speaker. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect it to your Wi-Fi network. Once connected, you can customize the speaker settings through the app, such as adjusting the bass and treble, setting up voice recognition, and so on. You can also enable voice assistant features by following the prompts in the Google Home app, allowing for hands-free control of your Mi Smart Speaker L09G. And there you have it. You've successfully set up your Mi Smart Speaker L09G.